afternoon everyone. This I make first class tour. This is effort and this is load and this is fulcrum and this is well fixed pulleys. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I made a fixed pulley. This is example of pulley. This is example of pulley. It is usually found in wind. This is work like this. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I made today this well. This is he make example of fixed pulley.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Anvi Gajanandana. This is well, this is house, this is tree and this is fixed pulley. Thank you.
Good afternoon ma'am. My name is Mira Moshe. I have made fixed pulley. In this we have one row. Thank you. Good afternoon ma'am. Today I made first class lever. In the between we have fulcrum. We have this side load. We have this side effort. Thank you.
Good afternoon ma'am. This is seesaw. This is first class lever. This is usually used in playgrounds and parks. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sharon Santosh Asani. My working model is well. Well is used for taking water from the bucket. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ullas.